Hey you guys, this is the Batman Forever, and this is something different than what I've done last time. It's not like a killer wolf guy coming to get me. This is different. This is like sounds that I've been hearing for the past 3 weeks. I'm just like terrified. Like I can't sleep at night. And look, it only happens when I get close to the curtains. Watch. See, that's not a normal human sound. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Oh my god! A dog! And it's a ghost! I don't have a dog, but what the hell is going on? Oh god! Oh man, it's happening again!